Good morning to you. The birds all chirping. Good morning. Look at Anna's fat lips. Look what happened to her. So I don't know what happened to Anna. I think her like lip is sunburnt or something, because we're all fucking sunburned like crazy, as you guys can tell, but it like inflated last night and yeah. But anyways guys, today is Wednesday day. We're just gonna have a chill day here at the beach house. We're gonna, you know, have a chill morning, and then we're gonna go explore downtown. I don't even know, like the part of Florida here. It's like the downtown nice area. We're gonna go do that. Fucking sunburn I look on camera. And that's just too, and her lip is fucking small. She looks like that episode from the Kardashians where the Chris gets like
insert video or photo
insert photo here. But yeah guys, we've been having a good time. It's morning right now. We just woke up. We all slept in today because we were having a chill day.
Your face is pale.
No, it's not. Your face looks so tan.
Look, compared to my arm, it's pale.
We're gonna have breakfast, chill. Anything to add, Liza? Let's go see what everybody else is doing. Breakfast. Fortnite. Oh. Yeah, so good. There's your friend over there. Still sleeping. Yeah. I'm about to make some coffee. Make it strong. ¿Quién quemó las pinches tortillas? Hija de la... I don't know how to make coffee. Do I put just one filter or two?
Okay, say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Show them what you got. What is that?
There's a bunch of them everywhere. I just keep finding them on the floor and stuff. Breakfast today. What are you eating, Caleb?
Cereal.
You like it? Wanna go in there? It's like fucking amazing inside. Yeah. Look guys, chocolate covered bacon. Your mom got them for you? This little cute shirt. Turn around. Turn around. It looks so cute on you. Can you tell everybody your outfit? White shirt that he already got us staying on. Good job. Some really cute bright pants. And some Adidas. Post. And I got this dress me lo regalaron in my Berks because I messed up my other shoes in the ocean.
Fashion. American Eagle and View Fashion.
Hell yeah. This pants. Coles. Shirt. We all look bougie.
Andy looking at George.
Tony. You took his nose?
Yeah.
Oh no, are you gonna take my nose? Give it back. Oh. That's what you get home. You take Anna's nose?
I got all this money. Stop touching me.
Did he take your nose?
Yeah.
He took it? Say, hey, Fran, you better stop.
stop.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Really be in the mood for mine now. It's the next day now, guys. We're having lunch at a really cute restaurant.
No, I'm just saying
Like by the ocean.
This is the name.
It's called Dry Dog Grill.
Okay guys, we got our food. What'd you get? Okay. No mismo de ayer, okay. What'd you get, Krishna?
Salmon sandwich.
What'd you get? Okay.
Lobster soup.
Biscuit. Yeah, I got salad and
Chicken corn chowder.
yeah.
And I got chicken sandwich.
Pinche basic. Now I got calamari and the same thing as him. Oh, and Sophie got a shrimp taco. We're here in Venice Beach. It's our last day.
Yeah,
Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and tomorrow at 10 a.m. we have to leave this house. Over there. So right now we're walking to
the beach.
the beach to watch the sunset.
Before we have to go, and then we have another road trip back home. We're gonna make some stops, obviously on the way back. We're gonna stop in Atlanta, Georgia, and then we're also gonna go to Nashville, Tennessee. So you guys will see that happening, you know. But yeah, we're pretty depressed.
Yep.
I have to get back to work. I'm eating a boli.
Mira, mira, outfit of the day, mira.
Outfit of the day. Shorts, Under Armour. This shirt we got at the gift shop because obviously every time we go on a trip we have to get some merch.
Yes.
So because if you don't get merch, you never went. So we went to this island in I don't know, it's called something.
Longboat Key.
Longboat Key. Look at this neighborhood. Remind me of like the Cali houses.
We're gonna come live here one day.
I want to retire here, bro. Especially Ana Maria Island.
Yeah.
I want to live right there by that bar. Go to the bar every fucking morning, drink like 2 margaritas.
Okay guys, we're here. Now we're gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset.